Dear friends, today also we bring some important information, announcements and updates from Indian stock market. Here are 30 stocks including CDSL, Indian Bank, Coforge, Indian Hotel, Mahindra and Mahindra, etc. Those have announced split dividend or bonus. Welcome to Stock Info Media. I am Nambudiri. Please like, share and subscribe. Indian Hotels Company Limited, Indie Hotel, share is trading around rupees 753. Indian Hotel announced a dividend of rupees 2.25 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Indian Hotels. Indian Bank Limited, share is trading around rupees 561. Company announced a dividend of rupees 16.25 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 10th June 2025. Coforge Limited. Coforge share is trading around rupees 7,420. Coforge announced a stock split in the ratio 1:5. That means if you have 100 shares of Coforge, your 100 shares convert to 500 shares. Record date for the stock split is fixed as 4th June 2025. Netweb Technologies Limited, Netweb, share is trading around rupees 1,560. Company announced a dividend of rupees 2.5 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Netweb. CDSL Limited, CDSL, share is trading around rupees 1,260. CDSL announced a dividend of rupees 12.5 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by CDSL. Kotak Mahindra Bank Limited, Kotak Bank, share is trading around rupees 2074. Kotak Mahindra announced a dividend of rupees 2.5 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Kotak Mahindra Bank. Spot King India Limited, Spot King, share is trading around rupees 106. Spot King announced a dividend of rupees 1 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Spot King India. Vinyl Chemicals India Limited, Vinyl India, current market price rupees 286. Company announced a dividend of rupees 7 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Vinyl Chemicals. Kalyani Steels Limited, KSL, share is trading around rupees 734. Company announced a dividend of rupees 10 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Kalyani Steels. Bombay Dyeing and Manufacturing Company, Bombay Dyeing, share is trading around rupees 125. Bombay Dyeing also announced a dividend of rupees 1.2 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Bombay Dyeing. DCM Shriram Limited, DCM Shriram, share is trading around rupees 1012. Company announced a dividend of rupees 3.4 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by DCM Shriram. Newgen Software Technologies Limited, Newgen, share is trading around rupees 1078. Company announced a dividend of rupees 5 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Newgen Software. Mahindra and Mahindra Limited, M&M, share is trading around rupees 3070. Company announced a dividend of rupees 25.3 per share. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 4th July 2025. Paushak Limited, share is trading around rupees 4,385. Company announced a dividend of rupees 20 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be finalized by Paushak Limited. Smriti Organics Limited, share is trading around rupees 118. Smriti Organics announced a dividend of rupees 1.5 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Smriti Organics. Home First Finance Company India Limited, Home First, share is trading around rupees 1,149. Company announced a dividend of rupees 3.7. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Home First Finance. V-Mart Retail Limited, V-Mart, share is trading around rupees 3,209. V-Mart announced a bonus in the ratio 3:1. If you have 100 shares of V-Mart Retail Limited, you will get another 300 shares of V-Mart free as bonus. So total you will have 400 shares of V-Mart. Ex-date and record date for the bonus yet to be announced by V-Mart Retail. Dhampur Bio Organics Limited DBOL share is trading around rupees 71. Company announced a dividend of rupees 1.25 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Dhampur Bio Organics. Jindal Steel and Power Limited Jindal Steel share is trading around rupees 873. Jindal Steel and Power announced dividend of rupees 2 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Jindal Steel and Power. D-Link India Limited D-Link India share is trading around rupees 465. D-Link announced dividend of rupees 15 per share. 15th July is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Marico Limited Marico current market price rupees 720. Company announced a dividend of rupees 7 per share. 1st August is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Atishay Limited current market price rupees 142. Atishay announced a dividend of rupees 1 per share. 3rd June is fixed as the ex-date and record date. Capital Small Finance Bank Capital SFB share is trading around rupees 280. Company announced a dividend of rupees 4 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Capital Small Finance Bank. SBC Export Limited SBC share is trading around rupees 13.5. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. Ex-date and record date is fixed as 10th May 2025. Rajasthan Tube Manufacturing Company Limited current market price rupees 298. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:10. Record date for the stock split is fixed as 8th May 2025. Paras Defense and Space Technologies Limited Paras share is trading around rupees 1353. Company announced a stock split in the ratio 1:2. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by Paras Defense and Space Technologies. Oracle Financial Services Software Limited OFSS share is trading around rupees 8,390. Company announced a dividend of rupees 265 per share. 8th May is fixed as the ex-date and record date. LG Balakrishnan and Bros current market price rupees 1,219. Company announced a dividend of rupees 20 per share. Ex-date and record date yet to be announced by LG Balakrishnan.